Hi friends, in this tutorial we're gonna learn about the container widget. Container widget is one of the most useful widget for the wrapping of widgets and dividing the code. And also we can apply backgrounds and corner radius and shapes with the help of container widget. Let's check how to create color to the particular widget. In the container widget we have a property of color. I have applied color is red. That's why the text widget was taken the background color of red. And if you want to apply padding to the particular widget also, we can apply using of container widget. You can apply padding for the left and right top also. Here I have used all. It will take the four sides padding. To apply margin to the particular widget, we have to use the margin property. In the same thing, it's like a padding. We can apply four sides and all sides at a time. If you want to draw circular shape or rectangle shape, we can draw with the help of decoration. In the decoration, I have a given shape dot circular. That's why the shape will be like look like this. If you want to apply color inside the decoration, do not apply inside the container. The if you want, if you apply two places, it will be trigger an issue. If you want to use alignment, if you want to align the inside widget to the left and right side and top side or bottom side, you have to use the alignment. If you use alignment property, it automatically takes the full height and full width of particular available screen. The container will be act like this. If you want to rotate or transform particular widget, we have to use transform property. Here I have used a rotation of z. You can apply x y directions also. Thanks for watching.